This is not just a sea route. This is the heartbeat of the world's oil supply. And today, it is under silent control. Welcome to Veritas Pulse. I am B. Biswajit. This narrow stretch of water, the Strait of Hormuz, carries a massive share of the world's oil. Factories run because of it. Cars move because of it. Cities breathe because of it. Now pause for a second. Imagine someone holding a gate over this lifeline. That someone is Iran. Iran has built a powerful chain of 7 islands: Abu Musa, Greater Tamb, Lesser Tanb, Hengam, Qassam, Larak, Hormuz. These are no longer just islands. They are military fortresses, missiles, radar systems, drone launch pads, naval bases, everything placed with precision. Experts call them unsinkable aircraft carriers because, unlike ships, you cannot sink an island. Now, here's where it gets serious. The strait may be 21 miles wide, but ships don't have that freedom. They pass through just two narrow lanes, each barely 2 miles wide, and these lanes run right beside Iranian controlled islands, which means every ship, every tanker, every single drop of oil moves under Iran's watch. And now comes something even more concerning. Reports suggest ships may actually need clearance to pass. In some cases, even pay for safe passage. This is not just control anymore. This is gatekeeping of global energy. Now the tension begins to rise. The United States has deployed the USS Tripoli along with elite marine forces. That signals only one thing: possible ground action. But here's the problem: these islands are heavily armed. Any attempt to capture them would mean thousands of troops, air, sea, and land coordination, and constant threat from missiles and drones. In simple words, this will not be easy. And then comes the real prize: Kharg Island. This single island handles 90% of Iran's oil exports. Even after airstrikes, its oil operations continue. Why? Because destroying it completely could shake the global economy. Kharg connects oil fields to the world: pipelines, storage tanks, deep water ports. This is not just infrastructure. This is Iran's economic lifeline. Then there are Keshm and Larak. Keshm, massive, heavily fortified, filled with underground missile systems. Larak, small, silent, but deadly, equipped with communication jammers and anti ship weapons. Together, they form a perfect surveillance trap. And finally, the most sensitive flashpoints: Abu Musa, Greater Tamb, Lesser Tanb, positioned right between key shipping lanes. Even more dangerous, these are disputed territories between Iran and the United Arab Emirates. One wrong move here, and everything can explode.